Okay guys, welcome back. Part 2 of our test. As you can see, there was that USD CHF, which I wasn't actually intending on going in, and it was actually a higher lot size than I would like to have traded. But it was an order that I'd forgotten to delete after the last time I traded. But basically, as you can see now, we are break even on these two, so I could choose to close. What I prefer to do is I prefer to wait for it to get to that next area, if it does. If I see a clear indication of it turning around, we see it's difficult here. So I'd rather wait for it to get up to here and then show me a sign of turning around, and then I will close it, and then I'll open a new sell for for 1. So that's how that one is looking. Okay, perfect. So we're getting close to, if we have some kind of reaction off of this level here, the 1.0450, I will close this position, take our profit, and then add in a new buy and wait for that to break even, and then we're out of the Euro USD trade with some nice profit. So just going to wait till that reacts off of that, or if it pushes straight through, I hold. So anyway, the reason we're here is part 2 of continuation of our full year's backtest with this strategy. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go back to, I left everything where we last traded, so we are good to continue moving. What I want to do is just place a few more of these lines, because I can see we're moving quite a long way down. Remember guys, I am very zoomed out here, so it doesn't look like we're moving that far, but we are. So we're on the 15-minute time frame. And if I were to double click this, you would actually see that is the distance of how we are moving. Okay, so let's go play this. Okay, so with that push straight through over there, right there, I definitely would have taken a sell. And what are we on? We are on 14,000. So I'm still using one. I could use 1. Use 1.5. I'll wait till we hit the 15, then I'll go 1.5. So we'll just keep it at that. Take our sell. See what happens. Okay, there. Close that. 400. Nice quick $400. Close all. Easy. I want to see if this comes back and then pushes up, or is it going to break through? Okay, I'll take a sell. Okay, and close over there. Another nice $400. Close that. Sitting on 1.5, so now I'm going to go 1.5. So we're trading bigger lots now. So where did we start? So we are now 15.043. I like to write it down every time. 15.043. So I know where my starting is. I think we started on what? It's about 14 and a half, wasn't it? Just over 14 actually. All right, so let's see, because I think we've really made a close to 1,900. Yeah, so 14.3, I think 14,300 or something like that. Anyway, so I'm just going to wait for another. Okay, I'm going to take a buy now. If we break that, I take a sell, and now I can just run through. Okay, so I need to get in a couple more lines going here. How far are we? So we need another. Was at 5.5, so we need a 5.0. Right, let's see what price does. Okay, I'm going to close this sell, close that, and then I'm going to take a new buy. We just want to get to, remember our previous was 15.043. All I'm looking for is if this pushes further down, obviously we take a sell for 3. The lot sizes are getting really big now. 3 now. Sell, and then we're just going to let it go. Oh. So right over here where we had that big tail, and then we had another one straight after that, I would have closed the sell. Close this. Oops, sorry, I just closed all. Close selected. We go back to 1.5, and we buy. So now all we're looking for, guys, is, so that already, now that's balance is 15,394, so that's already $300 up. But I think I would like to see it go a bit further. That's 15.5, so we could close it now, but let's see. I think we can ride this a little bit longer. Maybe not. I'm not placing a new sell just yet because I wanted to break these lows. I think this is just bouncing there. We have now consolidation, so I'm going to wait till we have a clear break of that before I actually okay, right there, perfect. That's what I was waiting for. Now we close, and just like that we have, so I probably wouldn't have gone so far. I probably would have closed about there to be more realistic, but still, close all, and our balance has gone from 15,043 to 16,009, so almost $1,000 with that trade. 16,096. Okay, let me do one more trade and then we'll go to sped up mode. So I want to wait till this breaks a little bit more. So I want it to come back, test, and then go. If it keeps pushing up, I'm not going to trade just yet. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to take a sell now. See if we just go down to the next zone. Okay, so with that push up past, I will take a buy, and now we just let it play out. Okay, so let's see. Broken below. Does it come back? Okay, with that one coming back, I'm going to close the sell. Close that one, and I'm going to open a new buy. And then we're just waiting for. That move over there took us to 16,159, so we're already in profit. So you could close it there. I'm going to see if we can get a little bit more out of it. Might be a mistake. Okay, there, perfect. Closing all, and just like that, we have gone from 16,096 to 16,771. So almost like $600 there. I just always write down my current balance just so I know where I'm starting. 771. So I know where my break even potentially is. So just like that, and we keep trading. Push up. I'm going to wait for it to come back and retest before I trade again. Alright, now I'm going to take a buy. And now I'm going to take a sell. So now we let it play out. Okay, let's just see what happens here. Just going to push up to the next. Okay, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to close this buy. Close this, and then I'm going to sell, and just see if we can if this pushes up higher. Okay, perfect. Just like that, close all, and we went from 16,771 to 17,495. 17,495. Okay. So perfect. We are beginning of May and we are already what, like $3,000 up. So really, really good stuff, guys. Really good stuff. I am super, super excited about this push up there. I'm going to take a buy. If we break below, okay, I'm going to take a sell. Wait. We had that tap in and then we came back over. We had that tap. We had a push up. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. Obviously, now that I'm trading, I'm going way faster, so I miss these sometimes. But in live market, this is where I would definitely be closing my sell. Close this and then open a new buy. And then we are just waiting for anything over 17,495, really. Okay, we're already 17,465, so not quite there. We're now 17,700, so we are now easily 300 above. So we could close there, and I'm going to close there. Close all, and just like that, we've gone from 17,495 to 18,149. 18,149. It's that simple, guys. Just follow price. Use your hedged order to, keep your drawdown safe. And it works really well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go until we went January, February, March, April. Now I'm going to go May, June, July, August, end of August. See where we at. Okay. All right. So I'm going to speed up from here, and you guys will see me next end of August. Let's see what we can get this account to. It's actually it's scary. I do think it's probably a bit aggressive for a live account. But saying that, I've not actually dropped below. I've not lost any money. Not a single trade have I closed with a loss. Yes, I've had drawdown, but my drawdown is secured by the profits I'm constantly banking. So, that's the thing about this trade. If anyone were to, if anyone were to come and sit and look at my charts mid trade, they'd be like, "Ooh, man, that doesn't look good." But for me, I know I'm okay with that because I'm always going to be in drawdown, right? I'm playing with that drawdown. Anyway. As soon as we hit 20 grand, I will go to 2 lots. And I think I'll eventually get to a point where I will kind of hold it at a set number of lots, which is maybe 2. Maybe 2 lots is the max. Once I hit 2 lots, let's see what I make in a month. And if it's, a decent amount, then there's no point constantly going more aggressive. Because essentially what will happen after 20 grand, my risk will just get less and less and less. I'll consistently earn the same amount, but my risk will over time just get less and less and less, to the point that I'm risking hardly anything. Like if that eventually goes to a 100K account, and I'm still just risking 2 lots, yeah. All right, I will catch you guys at the end of August. Let's see how this goes. Speed up time now. Okay, guys. Oh man, another 4 months done, and I tell you what, the strategy is just killing it, absolutely killing it. So, um, I think we were sitting on end of April. I think it was. We did 4 months. April, we were sitting on about $14,000. Started from 2.7. Remember, 2.7 was our starting point. End of April, 14, 14 and a half, and now end of August, so another 4 months of August, so it's May, June, July, August, 4 more months, and I mean the balance at the moment actually closed, it actually ended as far as we could go, so it closed out positions automatically, so it gave me a small loss, and I was actually just before that sitting on 58,000. So from 14,500 to 58,000 in 4 months. I mean, just crazy numbers. And once I hit 20,000, I stuck to a starting lot of 2. So from that point on, my growth was consistent. If I kept increasing my lot size based on my balance, it probably would have been a lot more. But I don't really want to trade such big amounts, you know, because just psychologically, it's crazy. So I think with this, you're still hitting incredible numbers. I think you're still making at least 10 grand a month based on the back test, which I would be more than happy with that. And I mean, once maybe it grows to like 100K, then I would maybe go to like 5 starting. And then just imagine, man, you could potentially be taking out 20 grand a month. So strategy is looking insane. Let's just go back to live market. So here we go. This is the USD CHF. It's kind of just floating around the same place, so not worried about that. The Euro USD. We opened up a new buy, took some profit. So as you can see, we have taken some more profit. 7,878 is our balance. Equity is, I can't remember exactly when we started on that with the problem. But essentially, I'm waiting for this one to come to about, I actually did a take profit. If we break that and then this, I would essentially be looking at something like that. And then we basically would have banked our profit and broke even, and we're out of that trade. So yeah, I mean, looking really good. Sometimes it just takes time, you know, just patience. You're sitting on these trades for ages, and when you're in a simulator, you're going through time really fast. So you know, it's easy. But with this, you just got to be patient. Just wait till, and as long as you've got your hedged position in, it doesn't matter. You know, you can miss something, be like, oh, should I miss that? But it doesn't matter because it doesn't change the drawdown you're in. It holds your drawdown no matter what happens. And then when you're ready to, if you say, okay, I think price is going to kick in now, price is going to move this way, you close the profitable position, open up a new position, and then let it go. And then just close out when you're in profit overall. So, I mean, so far the strategy is looking really good on the back test. It's looking good on the forward test. As I said, I've gone up about $2,000 in a week and a half on a $5,000 account. So, you know, if you're doubling your account every month, that's pretty crazy. So yeah, I'm going to wait till this breaks even, close that out, and then we just see if we can get out of that USD CHF trade this month. I mean this week, and let's see where our balance ends after that, what our balance looks like. So I'm going to leave it there, see how it goes, and we will catch you guys. I will continue tomorrow. I will do the remaining 4 months to see what we end with at the end of the year, and maybe when I hit 100K, I might go to five lots, and then just see what we're looking at in terms of the monthly income from that point on. But looking really good, man. I'm pretty stoked about how it's turning out. see if it trades the same in live. It is currently trading live. It is a demo account. I know it's easier said than done when it's a demo account. But I won't change anything apart from maybe my lot size. I'll start a little bit more passive. Once I've traded a live account a little bit more passive and I'm seeing the profits, I'll slowly increase my lot size to the point that I'm kind of where I was on that back test. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow for part three of this back test series. All right, we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.